Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Althea for those who don't know me, and if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and if you're an OG, please do give the video a big thumbs up, and of course do share and relax to enjoy this video. So in today's video, I'm going to do my daily routine, how I spend my day when I'm home. Like this is it's a kind of lazy daily routine vlog. So without further ado, let's begin with our video. So the first thing that I do, I'll stretch my body, open up the window so that the room can able to get some fresh air. Then I will make my bed. Then afterwards, I'll head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, dry my face, and then I'll head to the living room and do the same. I'll open up the curtains, open up the doors so that the whole house can able to get some fresh air. And then I'm gonna go and make my breakfast. For today I'll be having a banana peanut smoothie. Sometime I usually take some bread or some oats, gonna depend with the mood. For today I'm gonna make some banana smoothie. I'll be needing one banana, some peanut butter, some date, and some milk. I just add everything in a blender, and in like 1 minute I have a fresh banana smoothie. Oh my god, like it's so good. I'll just be sitting in my kitchen area and have like 1.5 cups of the smoothie. Be alert, when you take this smoothie every day, you will gain a lot of weight. And for those people who know me very well, yes, I've gained a lot of weight due to stress and because I do have thyroid, and that's why I gain a lot of weight. But I'm trying to lose weight. I'm on a strict diet. I'm trying, guys. Anyway, I'll head to the kitchen and then I'll clean my utensils and start preparing my evening dinner. For the dinner today, I'll be having some fresh tilapia fish, which I bought it in Brussels. So I'll start preparing my fish. The ingredients that I'm going to use to make this fish, I'll be needing ginger and garlic paste, some black pepper, some salt, some cumin, some habanero, some lime juice, and a bit of turmeric powder. And then I'm going to blend everything together. Then afterwards, I'll take the fish, remove the scales, and slightly cut it, as you can see, and then place the spices into the fish, and then cover the fish and place it in the fridge to marinate. So once I'm done preparing my fish, of course, I'll clean the kitchen counter table. Am I the only person who loves eating fish, but I hate the smell? For me, I'll just clean the place at least 3 times so I can able to get rid of the smell. I just clean first with some water, and then afterwards clean again with some water and some detergents. Then once I'm done, I just go and wash the utensils which I've used to make the fish, and of course clean the sink thoroughly so I can able to get rid of the smell. So that's how I always want my kitchen to be super clean and it's smelling so good and very organized. I'm an OCD person. I love my kitchen to be super clean. Not only my kitchen, every place in my house. I'm an OCD person. I don't know. The day when I will have kids, I think I'll have to be less an OCD person because it's not normal. Anyway, once I'm done, I'll go and vacuum the entire house. That's a must. It's every day. Whether it's in the evening or in the morning, I have to vacuum the house. Anyway, I'll just vacuum the house, and then afterwards, I'll go and take my hot shower. So tell me you're from East Africa, the coastal region, without saying a word. Oh yes, that's us. I'm from Kenya, the coastal region, from Mombasa. We love wearing there has this super comfortable. Like personally, even though I've lived in Europe for almost 10 years, I take my culture with me. So I'll just always wear their house, and of course I love smelling good. Not only my house needs to be clean, personally myself, I need to smell so good. So these products are for my body and as well my face, and some others are some perfume fitna mist to smell good the entire day. So I'll just be using some deodorants, body spray, and then afterwards take lotion to apply the whole of my body, and of course use others too. For my face, of course, and of course the perfume and the fitna is to make my entire body to smell so good. And once I'm done, I'll just go and spray my hallway and the entire of the house later. I'll just be using this spray. It's good and vanilla. It smells incredible good. For those who are interested, and if you're living in Belgium, you can find it or you can get it in Brussels or in Antwerp. So at the moment it's almost 12:30 to 1. I'll be making my lunch. For lunch today I'll be having some chicken burger. I'll just cook the chicken meat for like 8 to 10 minutes. Then afterwards I'll toast my bread, and then I'll be drizzling some mayonnaise, some chili with some ketchup, and my chicken burger is ready. Like, my lunch is ready. So after having my dinner, I'll just go and spray the entire house to just get rid of the food. Then afterwards, I'll just use the diffuser. If I don't feel like using wood, then I sometimes use this diffuser because it's also hot. When using diffuser, it's like refreshes the place. Just putting some water with a bit of some perfume, and then you just let it to work for 3 hours, 6 hours, according to the diffuser that you have. And then afterwards I'll just go in plants. I'll just go and water my plants, my inner plants. In the evening I usually water my outside plants. Because it's hot in Belgium, I'm so addictive of iced coffee, guys. I love iced coffee. So with an iced coffee, you just need to put some coffee, some sugar with some milk, whisk it for like 2 minutes, then add some ice cube, and then pour some cold milk, and you have a fresh iced coffee. Then I'll head to my living room. Oh yes, nice finally to relax. So during this time, I usually have some calls with my mom, my sister, my siblings, or sometimes I'll just be editing, or sometimes I'll just be watching some television while I'm having my snacks, some mabuya and achari. This achari, I made them like I usually sell the mabuya and achari here in Belgium. So if you're in Belgium and if you want these mabuya and achari, kindly contact me. Then afterwards, I'll go and pray Salat al-Duhri. And then once I'm done praying Salat al-Duhri, I'll be heading out to the pharmacy to go and take some medicines, which is not far from my place. It's just like 2 minutes walk. Like, I live in like a city. Everything is close by my house. So the thing about me too, I'm very organized. I usually love to check my mailbox every after 2 days. So I was heading to the pharmacy, so I had to check if I have something in my mail, but I didn't have anything. Then I headed to the pharmacy. This is my street. It's so peaceful. I love this place. Like, I'm so in love with the place. I've gotten a place which is close by everything. So I just took some medicine and then headed back home. So it was in the afternoon here, like it's heading around 6. So I'm gonna be taking care of my small garden. It's a balcony, but it's kind of a garden because my balcony is so big. So my olive tree is becoming so big, so I had to change the olive into a bigger pot. So I was about to go and buy a pot, then my neighbor told me that she had a pot. Lucky. Oh my god, I have the best neighbors in the world. Like, I'm able to see how tall my olive it is, and then it's also producing some olives. So soon I'll be having some fresh olive in my balcony. Then afterwards I'll water all the plants. Like, I'm able to see I have some jasmine, I have some fiscus, I have some hortensia, olandro. Like, I have a lot of plants. I have like almost 8 different plants in my garden. So once I'm done, I'll just go and clean up my pantry, because tomorrow is the day that they come and pick up the garbages. So here I am working in the pantry, changing the plastic bags. You know, here in Belgium, things needs to be organized. Plastic bottles needs to be separate, papers and boxes needs to be separate, and then the other dustbins also needs to be separate. So with me, before I change my plastic bag, I need to put this product so that the dust doesn't smell bad. So once I change, then I'll just take the lift and head down, and then I place the dustbins. Like, you're able to see, everyone has this large bin, and then this is the blue one is to put the plastic bag, and then this one is to put some papers. Then I'll put everything down, because tomorrow they're coming to pick up all the trash for the street. So lucky me, when I was down, I met my neighbor and she gave me some plants. Oh my god, like, I'm telling you, I have the best neighbors in the world. Mashallah, mashallah. Like, they love me, they're so caring. She gave me this Chinese money plant and this snake plant. Is it a snake plant? I'm not sure about it. Anyway, I'm going to change them into a large pots, and then afterwards place them in my house, because I love plants. Like, guys, I'm so in love with plants, flowers, like it's me. Then now it's around 6. I'll just be making some evening dinner. It's dinner time. Me and food, guys. I'm on a diet, but I love food. But I'm eating healthy food. It's just that in the afternoon I had the meat, which I didn't want to throw it. That's why I made some burger. Don't judge me. So like I was telling you guys, I'm on a diet, so I'm trying to make all my foods more healthier. Instead of frying my fish, I'm just going to put it in the air fryer for like 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Well, meanwhile, I'm also going to be making some fried plantains. Just gonna fry them, and in like 30 minutes, my dinner is ready. Serving my fish, my plantains, and with some pepper. Like guys, this combo is so good, and it's also very healthy. And that's me rocking in my kitchen counter, enjoying my food. Like guys, me with food, I love food. But anyway, I couldn't able to finish the whole fish because it was so big. I just had to eat only one side. So once I'm done, again, rookie, I hate the smell of fish. So I'll just be using this wood burner to make my house to smell good with this wood. Like this wood, guys, it smells so good. And of course, it's now ice-free. I'm just gonna pray ice-free. A nice time to take some medicine, then afterwards go to the living room and talk to my mom and my siblings. Like guys, I can able to talk to my mom, I don't know, 2 to 3 times in a day. I always talk to my family because I don't have a lot of friends here in Belgium. I do have one friend, a Ghanaian friend, and that's it. I don't love a lot of friends. Like guys, in Europe there's a lot of competition, there's a lot of drama, there's a lot of hatred, jealousy. So I'm trying my best not to have a lot of friends. So then it's in the evening, it's getting dark. I'm just gonna close my curtains and then just putting the lights on to make my house more cozy. Like I love lights, and the lights should not be so bright. I have bright lights when I have visitors, and when I'm alone, I just love my house to be cozy. Like I'm able to see, just putting candles to just be in a cozy environment. That's me. I love being alone, like for real. Being alone, like my me time. And it's not only that I'm in Europe, even when I was in Africa, when people come to my house, I'll just always be in our room because I love company, but not that much. And then the fact that I've lived now in Europe for like 10 years, I love being alone. I just find, like, I don't know, I feel so weird when I'm surrounded with a lot of people. And when I go back to Africa, in Africa, our family is so big. So when people they arrive in the house, I'm like, oh my God, you guys are so noisy. So I enjoy the moment of being alone. And of course, it's in the evening. And of course, Rocky, me, and tea, having this East African blood. I love tea. I cannot miss a day without a tea. Just putting some milk, some tea leaves with some sugar, and then put it in the microwave. And in like 2 minutes and a half, I have a hot tea. And of course, going to the living room with this Ghanaian biscuit. Oh my God, these biscuits slaps. Like they taste so good. And me enjoying the pop balloon of Nigeria. I love watching pop balloons of Nigeria, of the pop balloon of United States. Oh my God, from Arthur, and this one from Nons Mirage, I think. Anyway, that's how I spend my day, and hope you guys have enjoyed this lazy vlog. And if you've enjoyed, please kindly do subscribe, do share, do like, and do follow me on all my social media platform. I use Raquel Altia, and see you next time. Bye.